Hello viewers, Ratha Jatra is on the verge. On this occasion, I am going to share some of the facts about Ratha Jatra. The Chariot Festival. Ratha Jatra is an important Hindu festival which takes place during the summer. Rath means chariot, so the name of the event means Chariot Festival. It is celebrated in many regions of India and worldwide like London, Paris, Sydney and Tokyo. But the most famous is in the Indian holy city of Jagannath in Puri, India, and more recently by Hare Krishna devotees in cities around the world. The annual event attracts 1 million pilgrims who come from far and wide to participate, meeting up with old friends around their common goal of worshipping Lord Jagannath. Vocabulary. Lord Jagannath is another name for Krishna in the form of a deity, which is a curved and decorated wooden stump with large round eyes but no hands or legs. Lord Balabhadra, a deity, also carved out of wood, who is Lord Jagannath's elder brother. Devi Subhadra, a deity, also carved out of wood, who is the Lord's younger sister. Jagannath Temple, the main shrine where the deities are kept. This Hindu temple of Puri is in the state of Orissa on the eastern coast of India, is about 200 feet high. Only Hindus can enter the temple. Other devotees can view the temple from outside. The three chariots. The three deities travel on a grand chariot each, which look like huge temples. Each chariot is pulled by devotees to the Gundicha temple, the birthplace of Jagannath. Devotees consider this pulling an auspicious act. The deities. The deity Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra and Lord Subhadra are transported from Lord Jagannath's temple in Puri to his garden palace, the Gundicha temple, which is 2 km away. The statues remain at the Gundicha temple for 9 days and are then returned to the temple in Puri. Ceremonies of the day. The day begins with a ceremony called Rathapratishtha. In the afternoon, the most exciting part of the day occurs when the chariots actually begin to move, prompting great excitement and joy. This is called the Rath Tana. Many people are involved with making the chariots, including artists, carpenters and tailors, who stitch 1200 meters of cloth. The chariots are newly built each year from a neem tree. Traditional songs are sung, accompanied by a variety of instruments including drums and flutes. The annual procession is huge, with devotees sometimes risking their safety in an effort to pull the Lord's chariots. The festival for all. People of all nationalities and religions are welcome to join the festivities. It is a wonderful opportunity to unite people around the world. A happy Jagannath Ratha Jatra. May the chariots bring new zeal and happiness in your life. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Wish you again a happy Ratha Jatra. Thank you. Bye bye.